As you come in, did you notice those ditches? This is called the ditch banks. And the reason being is, do you ever seen those pictures of those mounds and huge mounds of buffalo heads? And the guy standing on top of it? You know what that was? That was the white man's attempt to eradicate all the food for all those Indians, or all those natives.
Be involved with all these living beings and life will feed you. So that's part of the message here, is you need to walk in balance with your mind, your body, your spirit, and your emotions. And that's what we try to do at Dream Wild Health, and I know that that's what AICHO is doing. We're trying to reach out, because all of your communities, as tribal people, we're going to watch over each other.
I was super excited to learn more about Native American culture, and I'm super excited because we're still learning about a lot of it. And I'm honestly very excited to be learning about all that stuff, be closer to my culture, and learn about, like Hope said, future leaders, and hopefully being one of them.
And so whenever you have courage, you're following what your heart and your spirit wants to do. And so by being here today, you're following your heart. And I think that's really beautiful, and I just say follow your intuition. Wherever you feel like you need to go, go do that. Wherever your heart wants to go do it, because that's what's going to light you up.
We were at the Blessing of the Gardens. We catered it with our salads and cupcakes.
And homemade dressing I make.
It's really nice seeing them multiple times, and already we know who we're working with, and we've got to experience things with them. So it's just building our connections.
My favorite field trip would probably be, oh, that's a good one. I really can't decide which one is the best.
You like all of them?
Yeah, they're all really cool, and they're all unique ways.
Yeah.
So.
Well, today we had the AICHO youth out, and that's always a fun day for me because they seem very interested in learning. And we love to teach people about all these different food opportunities. And we also like to show them what they could maybe do in the future to grow some of their own food. It's nice to interact with them. They always have good questions, and they're very helpful too around the garden. They helped us collect a bunch of peppers and tomatoes and herbs today. And I think they're all going to take some of that home with them to enjoy with their family as well. So anytime we can share or teach the youth, I'm right there. I love that.
I've been wanting to learn more about my culture for a really long time. So I think this was a really good opportunity for me, honestly. You know, just being here and everything and just learning. It's just valuable life skills too, you know, that you can incorporate throughout life. I'm really fascinated about the knowledge of plants and the life we're growing here.
I just hope that you're able to look at these plants and look at those who are sitting around you and realize that these are going to be your community members from now and here on out. And I just want to say that I really hope you see each other as support systems and ways that you can learn from one another.
My name is Cole, and my day's been pretty good. I got to go wild racing for the first time. I learned how to steer a canoe, and I learned how to how to rice. I'm glad and excited that I got to come out for this last field trip, and I'm excited to go next year.
As a parent, I noticed with our grandchildren, it was teaching them to be leaders. You know, it was teaching them because, you know, in our view, our youth, our kids like that, they are leaders right now. They're not gonna be leaders, they are leaders. And I think that was teaching them some very good skills and being able to do that and just feeling accepted, you know, without any shame. You know, that created a lot of learning opportunities that way. You know, it's a lot different than being in school. You know, it's a totally different atmosphere, because you're treating them with our culture. You know, you're treating them with how we look at everyone, right?
I love to help out in the farmers markets and stuff, and I think it's really cool that they're offering this, and yeah. We've all been working together, so now we each know almost everybody.
It's been really good this summer. Today we did really good and sold out of a lot of things, including the salsa and the granola bars, like always.
Every time I go to like the farmer's market or just like one of the program was still like consistent, I always had like a lot of questions. I didn't always ask them, but I'm thankful for everyone, and how everyone taught different things and had different lessons for me.